Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
I am Semiling Golosino, 37 years old. I have one son, 17 years old. I'm a solo parent. I'm high school graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to help my family and my son's future.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have 2 years and 6 months in Singapore, 5 years and 3 months in Saudi Arabia, 2 years and 2 months in Singapore.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
Cooking, cleaning, dishwashing, car wash, ironing.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
I taken care of child, 6 years old and 4 years old.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
6 years old, I bring to school and make a breakfast for her, and then after I fetch her from school and bring home. 4 years old, I make a breakfast and play with her sometimes.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
I know how to cook Filipino dishes, and I'm willing to learn Chinese food dishes.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Honest, loyal, hardworking, and trustworthy.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Good day, Mom and Sir. Please select me as a domestic helper. Thank you, and see you soon in Hong Kong.